Today we're going to look at Canva's new mockups and how you can use it to make nice pictures of your book that you can share on social media. Let's go to create a design and let's go for Instagram post, just because that's a nice size. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we help you use Canva better for your book marketing. If you are an author who would like to talk to other authors about Canva, come join the free Facebook group Canva Tips for Authors. The link is in the description. What we're going to do is we're going to first of all find our book cover image. So go to Uploads. Book cover. Now, one of the reasons that I can just search is that if you click on the three dots here, that's the name of the file, TWBIA final cover.jpg. The other thing you can do is you can add tags. And then if you search, it'll also search the tag. But anyway, that's just a little top tip. So let's get this and drag it over. And we're going to make it smaller for now. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Apps. And we're going to look at mockups. Okay, so that's the app. Now, there are loads and loads and loads of mockups. There are loads and loads and loads of mockups here. So one of the first things we're going to look for is print. See all. Now, this is what you'd be used to. So you've got somebody reading a book. There's your lady. She's reading a book. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Come on. Okay. And we get this picture. Let's duplicate it. And we'll drag it down into here. Okay. I'll just make this bigger so we can see what we're doing. And then you drag it over your little frame here, and hopefully it should put it in at the right angle. If it doesn't, we'll edit it. Oh, it did. There you go. That's somebody reading your book. And that's a nice image that you could share. There are other things like that, which would have which could be a book, really. Is it a book? Yeah. Okay. A book standing next to a vase of flowers and some nuts. Or a person holding a book in front of their face. Or, yeah. This is quite a nice one. This is just a 3D mock-up. So that's quite useful if you just have if you've just got a JPEG image, a flat image of your book, and you want to turn it into a 3D mock-up really quickly, this is quite a useful way to do it. So yeah, so there's quite a lot. Just play around with it. But one of the things that I really liked is their new video ones, right? So mostly they are things like phone screens and stuff like that. But this one is for books. So you've got your cup of coffee and a table. Let's get your book image, duplicate it and drag it into there. And then we pop it into the frame. Takes a few seconds for it to go into the frame. If you find these videos useful, please tell all your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you would like some pre-made mock-ups that are different to these, so they're not, these are going to become quite commonly used, but I've got a set which I've made separately, which are specifically for book covers. Just sign up to my newsletter and you get a set of templates for free. All you have to do is drag and drop your book cover in. Right, anyway, now that this has gone in, let's play. And that's quite lovely. There was another video which was quite good for books, which was, there's this one, which is just somebody placing a book on a small round table as opposed to a work table. Let's just get a new page. This is quite cool as well. Where's it gone? There's a really nice one of well, this is quite cool. It's not a book, it's just a iPad or something, but that's quite a nice way to display your book. If you have a paperback, there's quite a nice one for you, which is this one, which shows the paperback rotating round. So for this, you will need the wraparound cover image. So what do I mean by wraparound cover image? I mean the front and the back cover all flattened down into one image. Let me get you an example. Right, uploads. This is a cover that I designed for Ruth Long, Treachery of Beautiful Things. I'm very proud of it. Okay, let's drop it in. Now it takes a few seconds for it to incorporate into the video, understandably. If you try any of these and share them on social media, do tag me because I just like seeing what you do. Okay, right, so there we go. That's what it looks like. It's taken the image and it's wrapped it around so that the spine goes on the spine, and it won't line up perfectly, obviously, because it's taking a photo and sticking it on a mock-up. But that is pretty cool. And let's see if we can make it slightly bigger. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, the colors are a little bit muted, but anyway, that is very cool. And if you have Canva Pro, what you can do is you can go in, take this video, and then remove the background, and then you can have your book rotating without the background so that you can change a different color background or a different image in the background. If you found this video useful, please tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.